Hello, dear listeners. Dear listeners, today we will start our revision from Unit 3, Section A, Limits of Mind. What will you do? You will read this chapter. In your exam, I will give questions from the middle of the lesson. So, उसके लिए आप पूरा चैप्टर जो है ढंग से पढ़ेंगे. Now I will take the exercise A3 for revision. Write true and false against the given statement. If the statement is false, correct and write it in the space provided. So first is Eklavya and his family lived in Hastinapur. So as we all know, they lived near Hastinapur. So what will you write? You will write Eklavya and his family lived near Hastinapur. And the statement is false. Number 2, Eklavya failed to understand the discrimination between the high born and the low born. So, dear student, the statement is true. So, we will not correct and write the statement. Now, next one is third one. Eklavya requested Arjuna to teach him archery. So, it's a false statement. We will write false here. Eklavya requested Drona to teach him archery. Next is Eklavya carved a stone statue of Drona. Again, statement is false. Eklavya carved a statue of Drona from the tree trunk. Fifth one, Drona asked for Eklavya's left thumb as his Guru Dakshina. Again, the statement is false. Drona asked for Eklavya's right thumb as his Guru Dakshina. And the last one is, in the battle of Kurukshetra, Drona and Arjuna were on the opposite side. So as we all know, the statement is correct. They were on the opposite sides. So we will write true. Now I will discuss the next exercise. Complete the given statement briefly. Eklavya's mother would often tell him not to dash. So she often tell him not to go near to high-born people. So Eklavya's mother would often tell him not to go near to high-born people. Second one is, the Kuru princess came to the forest to dash. The Kuru's princess came to the forest to practice archery. Next is Arjuna's skill in archery dash. So Arjuna's skill in archery was amazing. Next is, each day Eklavya would practice shooting and dash. So each day Eklavya would practice shooting imagine a pat on his back from Drona. Next one is, after the loss of his right thumb, Eklavya learned to, after the loss of his right thumb, Eklavya learned to shoot with both hands and feet. Fifth is, real courage means fight against wrong, limits and respect the correct one. So dear student, you will revise both the exercise. Now I will discuss exercise A5. Read the given extract and answer the question that follow. That I will explain you here one by one. First extract is, don't go near them. The question is, who said these words and to whom? So ये word किसने कहा था, किसको कहे थे? Answer is, Eklavya father said these words to Eklavya. तो एकलव्य के फादर ने ये वर्ड किसको कहे थे? एकलव्य को कहे थे. Next is, who are them here? And the answer is, here them refers to Kuru princes. तो ये जो them वर्ड है किसके लिए यूज हुआ था यहाँ पर? जो कुरु प्रिंसेस थे उनके लिए हुआ था. Why did speaker say so? तो स्पीकर ने ये बात क्यों बोली थी? Don't go near them. And the answer is, the speaker said so because he knew that they belonged to a low caste. They were not supposed to mix with high born. तो इसलिए की थी क्योंकि वो क्या थे, हाई बॉर्न पीपल थे और उनके साथ वो मिक्स नहीं हो, जो लो बॉर्न थे तो अलाउ नहीं था कि उनके साथ वो जाके प्रैक्टिस करे आर्चरी की या उनसे बात करे. नाउ द सेकंड एक्सट्रैक्ट इज, I offer my service to you in this battle. Question 1A is, who do I and you refers to? So यहाँ पर I and you किसको रेफर कर रहा है? So answer is, I refers to एकलव्य and you refers to द्रोणा. तो यहाँ पर जो I जो स्टेटमेंट की गई थी वो किससे बिलोंग कर रही थी? एकलव्य से. एकलव्य अपनी बात कर रहा था और जो यू था किसको रेफर कर रहा था? द्रोणा को, कि मैं अपनी सर्विस आपको दूंगा. B, which battle is going on and between whom? And the answer is, a great battle is going on in Kurukshetra between Kauravas and the Pandavas. तो जो बैटल चली हुई थी कुरुक्षेत्र में, किस किस के बीच में थी वो बैटल? कौरवास एंड पांडवास. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाई इज द स्पीकर ऑफरिंग हिज सर्विसेज? जो स्पीकर है अपनी जो सर्विस क्यों देना चाह रहा था? द आंसर इज, द स्पीकर इज ऑफरिंग हिज सर्विसेज बिकॉज ही कंसिडर द्रोणा एज हिज गुरु. तो क्योंकि वो अपने द्रोणा को क्या मानता था? अपने गुरु के समान मानता था, क्योंकि उसके स्टैचू से ही उन्होंने सीखा था आर्चरी अपने दोनों हाथ से. ठीक है, बट एक हैंड का थंब उन्होंने ले लिया था तो फीट से और हैंड से, तो उसे कंसिडर करता था एज ए गुरु द्रोणा को. तो द स्पीकर इज ऑफरिंग हिज सर्विसेज बिकॉज ही कंसिडर द्रोणा एज हिज गुरु. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट exercise. Exercise A6. Answer the following questions. The question number 1 is, why did Eklavya's family live away from Hastinapur? तो एकलव्य की फैमिली थी वो हस्तिनापुर से थोड़ी दूर क्यों रहती थी? ठीक है, आंसर इज, Eklavya's family lived away from Hastinapur because they belong to a low caste. एकलव्य की फैमिली हस्तिनापुर से दूर रहती थी क्योंकि वो किससे बिलोंग करते थे? लो कास्ट से. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाई डिड एकलव्य कर्व द्रोणा स्टैचू? एकलव्य ने द्रोणा का स्टैचू क्यों बनाया था? द आंसर इज, एकलव्यस कर्व द्रोणा स्टैचू बिकॉज द्रोणा रिफ्यूज टू टीच हिम आर्चरी. ये द्रोणा ने जो है एकलव्य को धनुर्विद्या सिखाने से मना कर दिया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाई डिड द्रोणा आस्क फ्रॉम एकलव्यस राइट थंब एज गुरु दक्षिणा? द्रोणा ने एकलव्य का जो राइट थंब क्यों मांगा था एज ए गुरु दक्षिणा? तो आंसर इज, द्रोणा आस्क्ड फॉर एकलव्यस राइट थंब एज गुरु दक्षिणा बिकॉज ऑफ हिज ग्रेट लव फॉर अर्जुना. एकलव्य का इसलिए मांगा था थंब क्योंकि जो है द्रोणा जो है अर्जुन से बहुत प्यार करते थे और चाहते थे कि वही बेस्ट जो धनुर्धर रहे, तो इसलिए उन्होंने एकलव्य से उनका राइट थंब मांग लिया था. So dear student, here we have done all the question answer of this lesson. What will you do? You will revise it. Now I will explain exercise A8, which is given on page number 60. A few words from the text has been given in the box. Choose an appropriate word from the 8 box which can be used to replace the bold word in the sentence given below. Write the chosen word in the space provided. So सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं और जो बोल्ड लेटर है उसके साथ हमें जो ऊपर ईट बॉक्स में दिए गए वर्ड्स हैं उसके साथ एक्सचेंज करना है. ठीक है, उनका मीनिंग बताना है. सेम मीनिंग होता है. द ओल्ड मैन वॉज लुकिंग fiercely at his son when the guest came in. So the right answer is glaring. Next is, in olden time, kings used to travel in two-wheeled vehicles drawn by horses. And the answer is chariots. Now next one is, Shekhar was avoided by his friend due to his bad habits. So what is the meaning of avoided? Shunned. The right answer is shunned. Next one is, everyone disliked the village head for his unfavorable attitude towards a few village families. So unfavorable attitude means discrimination. Next one is, Sheena went to the principal and accepted her mistake with an ability to disregard fear. So the meaning of this is courage. So dear student, that's all for the day. Tomorrow I will discuss the next exercise of this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.